Hi, this is James at Outrank, and today we're going to be showing you how to set up your business mail on your iPhone or iPad devices. So setting up Mailbox on your iPhone or iPad isn't particularly difficult. First, we'll start off by going to Settings, and then scrolling down until you find Passwords and Accounts. From within here, press Add Account, and then at the bottom of that list, press Other. From within the screen, we'll add Mail Account, and now we're presented with a screen where we can start filling in our details. So at the top, we have name. This can be your name or business name. This is what the person receiving the email will see as the recipient. So for this example, let's put my name. Next to email address, which would have been provided for you by our sales team. So for this example, we'll just use our test mail. But this will be your full name at companyname.com or .co.uk, depending on what your domain name is. And then we'll enter the password, which we would have also provided you with. And then at the bottom we have description, which is automatically populated from the domain name. It's just a quick description so you can quickly find your mailbox if there's multiple mailboxes in your account. So next we'll press Next. So at the top we have IMAP and POP. We recommend using IMAP. This means mail is synchronized between the server, so if you have mail on multiple devices, if you read mail on one device or computer, it will also be read on the other device. So we'll fill out the rest of our details. You can see name, email and description has been populated from the screen before. And we'll now update our incoming and outgoing mail servers. So this is an IMAP account. Our incoming mail server is going to be imap.stackmail.com, which we'll enter now. Our username is our full email address as we entered above. So this will be the same as what you've got in the email field above. And our password's already pre-populated from before. So if we scroll down to outgoing mail server, again, this is going to be smtp.stackmail.com. We'll provide you with this detail on the email. And our username, again, is our full email address. And our password, same password as above. Once we've entered these details, we can press Next. That will then verify the information we've entered is correct. And then once we're on the screen, you'll see mail's enabled, and we just press Save. Now, if we go to the Mail app, you'll see there's one new email there with our test email. You've successfully set up email on your iPad and iPhone devices.